Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh, and a very good day. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Abidin, and I will presenting my final year project, which is BookFinder book navigation mobile app for library. My supervisor is Dr. Rogaya binti Abdul Majid. So let's start with the background of this project. Finding a book in a library seems simple, but traditionally it requires users to rely on manual methods or card catalogs. Even with digital systems, physically locating items on shelves remains a challenging and time-consuming task. Next is the problem statement. Firstly, we have the inefficiency of manual book searching methods. Secondly, we face inventory inaccuracy and human error. Moving on to the scope of the project, we have defined the hardware, software, and target users. First, target users, the system is designed for library visitors, which is for students and also library staff to manage inventory and efficiency. Let's look at the solution, the key features of BookFinder. The application offers 4 core functions, which are firstly, search and availability function. Secondly, real-time RFID verification. Thirdly, visual navigation unlike standard catalogs. And finally, staff monitoring and management. Next is the project aims. The aim of this project is to develop a BookFinder mobile app which helps library users easily locate available books to save time, while also assisting staff with efficient error-free inventory management. So before I continue with my mobile application, I will intro you guys to my IoT system first. So as you can see here, I have 2 shelves, which is this is the shelf 2 and this is shelf 1. So it's I want to create a more library environment. So this is the breadboard here. This is the ESP32 microcontroller that acts as the communicator between my mobile app and the RFID. So this is the RFID here, MFC R522, and this is the tag that will be attached on the book. So there are 2 IoT system that I bought here now. So this is the login page here. So this is our main page here. There is a search box here. We can search books by title or author here. And then if we try type some words, it will filter the book result based on the words that we type here. So for example, I want to read the number book here. It's on the shelf. It's on the shelf 1. Shelf 1 here. But I put it on the shelf 2, so we will see if the app can update the location of the book in real time. So we try that, and then here you go. It's set on the shelf 2 because here you can see the tag is been read by the RFID here. So this the navigate to location button. Student can
Please proceed to floor 1, aisle 1, shelf 2. Your book is marked in orange.
and it also have a voice navigation. So you can also here, and then it will change the status of the book from the available to the borrow. So you will see here, there's a borrow book, and then only user that borrow the book can change the status, return the book, and then it will back to available again. Then in here in the reading history, you can see your book history, your reading history, so that you can read another book. So as you can see, the student will be given 7 days starting from the days they borrow the book, and if they not return the book in exact time, in the exact given time, they will be fined 15 ringgit by the library. This mobile app also have features for students, which is send the feedback to the admin. Here you go for the students part. Alright, next for the admin part. Then here is the main page for the admin. We can see the dashboard here, the total of the book registered in this app, the status of the book, and then if the book is available. Then here is the records of the book. Then we can also click the borrow here, and we can see if the user have borrowed the book. We can see the information about that. The next is the manage book here. We can add book. We can also edit the book. Next, we can also see the feedback. We can also delete the book, and then it will give us the warning message. And the book is deleted. Then you can see it will update the dashboard to 3 total only. And then the book 2 is successfully deleted. So that's all for the admin.